Hello everyone, this is Architect Channel, sharing architectural tutorials, design, and on-the-spot travel vlogs.
Hello everyone. Today's episode is about designing a modern rest house on a mountain. Let's get started. A modern rest house perched on a mountain. This sketch presents a home design not only for comfort, but also for harmony with nature. Built on a steep slope, the design embraces the terrain rather than fighting it. The house steps down gradually, following the natural contours of the mountain. The purpose? To create a peaceful retreat, a space to escape, unwind, and take in the breathtaking surroundings. Now, let's dive into the design itself. This rest house is pure modern architecture, with its clean lines, geometric forms, and open spaces. You'll notice the flat roofs, which aren't just aesthetic. They can serve as green roofs or terraces, perfect for mountain views. The building is made up of interlocking rectangular volumes, creating a dynamic yet balanced composition. One standout feature is the cantilevered balcony. Projecting dramatically over the edge, it gives an unobstructed view and adds a sense of lightness and drama. Large windows and glass curtain walls invite daylight deep into the space and blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. Vertical fins and columns offer a sleek rhythm across the facade, likely providing both support and sun shading. Here are the 5 best materials you can use for your designs. 1. Reinforced concrete. Why it's ideal. Concrete gives the structure strength, durability, and a minimalist aesthetic, perfect for modern mountain homes. It handles the terrain well and insulates effectively against mountain temperatures. Modern appeal. Can be left exposed for a raw, industrial modern look or finished smoothly for a clean, contemporary feel. 2. Glass, tempered or laminated. Why it's ideal. Large glass panels, as shown in the design, bring in natural light and maximize the views. Critical for a mountain rest house. Modern appeal. Creates a seamless connection between the indoor and outdoor environments, which is a hallmark of modern architecture. 3. Steel or aluminum frames. Why it's ideal. Steel and aluminum provide structural integrity while allowing for sleek, thin profiles, perfect for supporting wide glass spans without bulky frames. Modern appeal. These materials allow for clean lines and minimalistic details, contributing to the lightness of the structure. 4. Natural stone, like slate or basalt. Why it's ideal. It grounds the building to its mountain context, both visually and thermally. Stone blends with the surroundings and performs well in harsh weather. Modern appeal. When used in accent walls or foundations, stone offers a textural contrast to smooth concrete and glass, enriching the modern aesthetic. 5. Sustainable wood, like cedar, teak, acacia. Why it's ideal. Wood softens the modern geometry and adds warmth. It's perfect for cladding, ceilings, or deck areas. Modern appeal. Adds natural tones and textures to balance out cold materials like steel or concrete, and complements the forest/mountain environment beautifully. Sustainability and environmental fit. This design doesn't just look great, it's also smart. The multi-level, terrace layout reduces the need for major excavation, protecting the mountain's natural form. The large windows enable passive solar design, capturing warmth in cooler months, while wide roof overhangs help shade during the summer. Open spaces allow for natural ventilation, reducing the need for air conditioning. And finally, integrating trees, plants, and natural materials helps the house blend into the environment, minimizing visual impact and enhancing biodiversity. This modern rest house is more than a beautiful sketch. It's a thoughtful architectural solution for designing a modern rest house. It combines elegance with functionality, modern materials with natural forms, and human comfort with environmental sensitivity. Whether you're viewing it from afar or living within it, this rest house offers a harmonious escape, elevated, both literally and figuratively, above the everyday. Keep note on this. If the rest house is to be built in a humid or rainy mountain region, all materials should be selected with weather resistance and thermal performance in mind. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and share for more video tutorials. Thank you so much, and see you again.